to the Money Moves studio. This week, we're talking all things arbitrage. In the previous episode, Paul defined arbitrage and he also gave us some real-life examples using a packet of knick-knack chips. But he said that there is a different asset that we can use the method of arbitrage with that is faster, cheaper, and more scalable. Spill the beans, Paul.
Right, Ingrid, so how do we do it? We do it with Bitcoin. So it's Bitcoin arbitrage. So in 2017, my one friend came to me and he asked me, Paul, have you heard about Bitcoin arbitrage? I said, brother, I've never heard about Bitcoin, don't know what that is, never heard about arbitrage. Now we put them together, what's happening? So we realized that there is actually a price difference in Bitcoin between the South African exchanges and the US exchanges. It's actually a little bit cheaper in America and a little bit more expensive in South Africa. So what if you could buy it in America, send it over to South Africa and then sell it here for a profit? And of course, that is what we did. So let me explain the 5 steps. So number one, you change your rands for dollars. You need dollars because you need to buy the Bitcoin in America, which is obviously a dollar denominated country. So step number one, exchange rands for dollars. Step number two, send the dollars to America. Now it's there on Kraken or Binance or one of these American exchanges. Step number three, buy the Bitcoin. Now your Bitcoin is in America on an exchange. Step number 4, send it over to South Africa, to Valor or Luna, one of these exchanges. Now your Bitcoin is here, and then sell it here for rands. Where you started. You started with rands, you ended with rands. What's the difference? The difference is you started with 50,000 rand, and now you have 55,000 rand. And we're like, no, this literally cannot be. But of course it was. What did we do? We took the 55 again. Rands to dollars. Dollars to America, buy the Bitcoin, send to South Africa, sell the Bitcoin here, and back came 60,000. And of course, over time, we learned the tricks of the trade, how to improve the system faster, cheaper, better.
So Paul, you took us back to 2017, but I'm dying to know, are you still doing it?
Ingrid, of course, we are still doing it. It's not as big as it used to be, but it's still there and we're still making money. But we are a lot more efficient now. There's better ways to do it.
I am intrigued. Please tell me more.
I will tell you more in the next episode.
He did it again. See you tomorrow.